Dividend investing is the ultimate wealth hack. And the best part? It's simple and beginner-friendly. In just a few minutes, I'll show you how to start investing and build wealth with dividends step by step. Let's dive in. Part 1. What are dividends? A dividend is like a reward companies give to their investors. You buy shares in a company and in return, they pay you a portion of their profits, either monthly, quarterly, or yearly. Imagine owning stock in McDonald's, Coca-Cola, or Apple and getting paid just for holding them. Sounds great, right? Part 2. Why dividends matter? Dividends are a game changer for wealth building because they provide passive income, money you earn without working. Even better, reinvesting your dividends lets you buy more shares, leading to compounding growth, meaning your money keeps making more money. Part 3. Setting your investment goals. Before you start, ask yourself, what's your goal? Are you investing for financial freedom, a side income, or retirement? Your goal determines how much to invest and what type of dividend stocks to buy. Set a budget. Even $5 or $10 a day can add up big over time. More on that soon. Part 4. Strategies for dividend investing. There are two main strategies. 1. High-yield dividend stocks. These pay bigger dividends now but may have less growth. 2. Dividend growth stocks. These pay smaller dividends but grow over time, creating more wealth. For beginners, a mix of both is a smart way to start. Part 5. How to pick the right dividend stocks. Not all dividend stocks are great investments. Here's what to look for. 1. Dividend yield. A healthy 3 to 6% is ideal. 2. Dividend history. Does the company consistently pay and increase dividends? 3. Payout ratio. Below 60% is safe. Too high could mean trouble. 4. Company stability. Strong brands like Coca-Cola, Procter & Gamble, or Johnson & Johnson, or ETFs like SCHD are great choices. Part 6. The power of compounding $10 a day. Think $10 a day isn't enough? Let's do the math. If you consistently invest just $10 daily into a carefully selected dividend stock or ETFs earning 11% annually and reinvest all dividends, over time your portfolio can grow to over $800,000, generating more than $50,000 annually in passive income. Dividend investing is simple, powerful, and works while you sleep. So what are you waiting for? Start today. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more investing tips. See you in the next one.